Family friendly, in a quiet neighborhood, sun-filled house that is move-in ready. Hi, I'm Shavita from Emax Gold. Welcome to my new listing, 165 Hampshire Way in Milton. This gorgeous townhouse comes with 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and a generous sized living room overlooking a patio. The best part of the house's kitchen, it comes with stainless steel appliances, backsplash, bayonet countertop, and a huge island to accommodate more seating. Literally 5 minutes away to Highway 401 and Milton GO station, this pristine townhomes enjoys the proximity to smart centers, and if you love shopping, Premium Outlet is only 9 minutes away. Get in touch today to book your private showing.